You're now looking at our high cost-effective electroplated core bits. It is designed for drilling glass, porcelain, ceramic, etc. The economic version could drill more than 30 holes. The premium version could drill more than 100 holes. Our factory's production capacity is 1 million bits per month, and we have the ability to deal with pollution, which can help protecting the environment. Also, we can guarantee delivery within 30 days. If you are interested in this product, please let us know, and we will provide you everything you need.